Hi, this is Amy Smith, and I just finished my Gokhale Methods Foundation course in Encitas. And I have Sam, Nick, and my dad, Robert, with me. And we're just going to take a moment and talk about what the class meant to them. So Sam, we'll just start with you.
The class was really nice. My favorite improvement for me is rolling my shoulders back, keeping my neck long, and so I pay attention to the most.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Nick.
Oh, well, I think one of the things is that the cool thing about this method is that it transforms the things that you do all the time. So I'm very excited to learn how to walk since I apparently didn't know how to walk correctly. And so there's a lot to take home from these classes.
Thanks. Robert?
It goes back to my old football days in a sense when you're young, like these guys are. So you learn the shoulders and you're in the back. But the best for me was hamstring. That was one of the best parts of the course for me. So she did very good. Excellent lecture. Good teacher. Really good. And she's my daughter.
Thanks. That's a wrap.